I will show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. First, open your Roblox. Then, go to the left side. Click More, then find Settings. Go to Account Info. You have to verify that you are 13 years old or older. If you have verified it, then it will look like this. After that, go to Privacy, then there will be a display to enable voice chat like this. If so, then play Roblox. Go to Settings. Later, the settings display will look like this. You can choose the mic input that you have. If you press to talk, there will be an icon like this. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your mic.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.